Morning. Welcome to VNM program, means Vimut Nivan Maga. The Sinhalese sentence meaning is the liberation part 2, the enlightenment. So this is VNM season 2 program, and the second part, English program. It's program number 14, means 10.44. So according to the order of our program, we have already discussed about Theravada Tripitaka. And from this program we are giving you a guidance, and we are encouraging you to do a research about Buddhism. For what reason? To get the meaning and understanding, the comprehension about reality of the universe. So that purpose, to fulfill that purpose, we are presenting this program. Actually, now from the previous program we have already discussed about the Discord division, the third division, Sutra Pitaka of Theravada Tripitaka, the Buddhist holy scriptures. There we have already explained you about the first two Nikaya, means the major books of Discords, Digha Nikaya and Majjhima Nikaya. From this program we are going to brief you, give brief presentation about the third and fourth Nikayas of this Sutra Pitaka. They are Sangyukta Nikaya and Anguttara Nikaya. So Sangyukta Nikaya we explained also, there is a small Discords Sutra included there. They were given as a complexes, the group of Sutra, the complexes. That's why it has called Sangyukta Nikaya. So Sangyukta Nikaya has been handed over to Maharahat Thero Agra Shravaka Sarada, means the greatest disciple of Tathagata, Lord Gautam Buddha, Sariputta Maharatan Mahanse and Mugalan Maharatan Mahanse and their students generation. The Sangyukta Nikaya has been given at the first doctrinal assembly 2600 years ago. It happened in India. So from that time, then after in Sri Lanka it was written on books and then translated to Pali language again and spread all over the world with all other Tripitaka books. So Sangyukta Nikaya is still remaining, and in 1956 again we got our own language translation. So we are now we have a facility to study it in our mother language, Sinhala language, and also Pali. And also this Pali texture already transferred to English, so easily you can find it from internet, and you can make it online purchase. So for your studies, for a very good, reliable, reasonable price, because these all are charity works. They all taking only its printing cost and delivery cost only from those who are ordering them, because around all the worldwide Buddhist organizations, they want to pass the message of Lord Buddha, so they made many arrangement with their charity works. So now you can easily get these scriptures, and you can make your study with Sangyukta Nikaya. And the other one is Anguttara Nikaya. It also presents you the Discord according to the number of facts discussed in each Discord. So according to that method, it was classified as how factor one factor included discourse as Eka Nipata, two factors include discord as Dukkha Nipata, and three factors include Tikha Nipata, like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 factors. There are 11 chapters, great chapters available in this Anguttara Nikaya, and Sangyukta Nikaya there are 7,000 something sutra included there, and Anguttara Nikaya about 9,000 something sutra, means discords include there. So this is very large field to study there, and many deep doctrinal facts were discussed in these areas in Tripitaka. So the study of this very important according to the research, because even we are Sri Lankan, we are Sinhalese, we are Buddhist. Sri Lankan is our country and Sinhalese is our nation, the nation who built the country. Today we are living with our other brother nations in Sri Lanka. All we call Sri Lankans in one name because we are united in the shadow of our historical evidence which raised in the world with the Buddhist philosophy, the Sri Lankan Sinhalese culture. So under our shadow, our other all brother nations are living with us peacefully, harmoniously, and we are inviting them to study our this philosophy and try to get their meaning. That's why we have guiding from this program only on Sri Lankans and all people around the world. So that's why we are guiding from this program, and we have already arranged 2 Facebook pages to give a good guidance to those who all wish to make a study about Tripitaka. We are suggesting them first have a brief study from our Facebook page. We have 2 pages. 2 pages include in internet as a Facebook pages. These 2 pages, they are the first page is Facebook Daham Pituwa. It's in Sinhala language. Other page is the doctrine page. It is in English language, and from that it's given a brief exploration about all 3 divisions of Tripitaka. So I hope this will be very effective for you, those who are going to do a research. Before your research, it's very better if you study this page and have a brief idea, and brief study means brief exploration about all field of included Tripitaka. That is the message we are passing. This our main purpose is spreading the Tathagata Gautam Buddha message around the world. So we are normal people, but we are following our holy, our spiritual leaders, Maha Sangharatne, the Bhikkhu generations, and all around the world. We are respecting them and we are following them. They are the people who protecting the Buddhism along with us. Along with them, we are helping them to keep this Buddhism live on the earth, because it is the universal truth, the mindfulness of the human society, human race, humankind. So that is why we are work for that. So my dear people, thank you very much. We'll meet you from our next program. It will be the last program of this presentation. In future again we will meet in some kind of long and explorational programs. So have a nice day. Thank you very much. May Triple Gem bless. Triple Gem's bless will be with you forever. Thank you.